What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over ApeCoin, a little bit of news as well as technical analysis. We're sitting at 1367. We're up about 0.3 on the day. We're seeing market cap of 3.73 billion, 24-hour volume 1.69 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So Madonna joins Metaverse with 560,000 Bored Ape NFT purchase, and ApeCoin remains Ethereum's whale's most traded tokens for 5 consecutive days. So that's the article we're going to get into here. So according to compiled by Whale Stats, the Bored Ape Yacht Club inspired ApeCoin has been the most traded cryptocurrency by the 1,000 biggest Ethereum wallets over the last 24 hours, maintaining this status for 5 consecutive days. Wow, that's absolutely incredible. This token ranks 5th among the top 10 purchase tokens in the last week. ApeCoin is also ranked 5th among the most used smart contracts by Ethereum whales. That's absolutely insane. Right up here with Binance Coin, we have Matic, we have FTM, we have Sand, and we have ApeCoin. So I thought that was pretty cool, guys. Let's jump over to the technical analysis. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and just a small little right shoulder. So I just entered a little trade here. We had a little bit of a back test just for fun with my stop loss just down at about $13 to see if I can ride it up here to about 14.18. Could be a nice little trade opportunity here of about 6%. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. So we'll quickly look at the 4 hour time frame. The money flow is back at the top section, and that can be an early indication of a little bit of pullback or consolidation. Just keep that in mind. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So we can see here on the 4 hour, we perfectly saw a retracement. I said, look guys, we're most likely going to see some pullback, and that's exactly what happened here. We pulled right back down to the 20 EMA, and we saw a nice little bounce. So we could definitely see a nice push up to 14.18. If that does happen, do watch for a potential double top pattern, and if you see a bearish divergence, might be an early indicator of a move back down. However, we have broken out of this cup and handle pattern. We are in a technical target to about 1583. That's about it for Ape. We obviously don't have a lot of chart to go off of here, but as of right now, we bounced off the 20 EMA, and we are in a technical target up to 1583. And in the short term, on the 1 hour time frame, that baby little inverse head and shoulders, technical target 1418. Your strong levels of support if we were to roll here, 1318 and 1238. But as of right now, we held the EMAs, and we're seeing a little bit of a bounce. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, news, technical analysis, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts, which we've been taking profits on Mana, ADA, XRP over the last few days, and buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly if you want to start entering into positions with dollar cost averaging, or you're looking for entries and exits based off support, resistance, Fibonacci 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.